Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool amazing part right here in my hand, if you can see. So basically what these are some hooks that you can use to put around your head. So that way when you guys put on the mask itself, you guys don't have to put the actual part right here over your ear. Instead, you guys can put this behind your ear. So let me actually put it on to show you guys what I mean. I also want to say that for this product they actually have multiple colors. I think they have like black, white, and some other colors, but I end up getting the blue one because I like the color blue. And in terms of the material itself, it feels really nice. It might be a problem for people who have long hair, but for me, I'm not too sure about how that issue, but let's try it. So basically you guys want to hook on the part like this. So whatever fits you correctly, you guys can adjust it based on your preference because they have all these slots for you guys to put in. And then same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so you can see basically I have the mask on right now. And right now it's kind of loose, so I might need to make it a little bit tighter, but let me turn it around to show you guys what it looks like from the back side. So in case you guys can see right here, this is what it looks like right here. So basically this is what it does. So it pretty much helps you guys have like a much more comfort when you guys put on the mask, because a lot of times when you put it over your ear for like a long period of time, especially for like nurses or whatever in the office, it's just like always on your ears, like really uncomfortable. But now that you guys have this, it's like really comfortable. Like I don't even feel it right now. It's just that comfortable to the point where I can just wear it all day and I don't have to worry about it. And it's not like bothering any part of my ear as well. It's just like super comfortable. Fitting of the product actually feels really nice too. It's like perfect. Right now I think it's a little bit too loose, but I can always make it much more tighter if I need to. But you guys can see that actually does work. Actually works quite well. Definitely really helpful, especially with everything that's going on right now, to get one of these so you guys can get that comfort. And I know like there's a lot of you guys who probably don't want to wear a mask because of how uncomfortable it is and everything. People's glasses fogging up, the uncomfortable of the ears, like there's so much issue, and this is like a solution to help you guys feel a little bit more comfortable where it's not too annoying on your ear or too stressed out on your ear when you guys keep putting it on your ear. Like right now, it's going to the back side, so it's not really bothering any part of my ears or head or whatever. It's like really comfortable. Like I could wear it all night if I wanted to. So that's just basically everything about this product itself. There's not really much for me to talk about other than how comfortable and show you guys how it looks like and everything. But now that we did like the unboxing and like a quick test of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would say that this is definitely worth it if you guys are planning to go back to work or go outdoors and you guys have like these kind of masks. Then it's definitely really worth it to get one of these so you guys don't have to get that uncomfortable feeling putting on a mask for all day and whatever. Like this definitely makes a huge difference. Like if you guys don't believe me, try it for yourself first. And then if you guys hate it, comment down in the comment section down below saying that you lied to me or whatever. That's how confident I am that this product will be really helpful for you guys. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are going to be wearing like your mask for a long time throughout the day and whatever. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have.